Welcome back to another Black Hills of South Dakota travel guide installment. Today we will be visiting another tranquil location within the forest lands. Sheridan Lake is located only 15 miles west of Rapid City, our primary hub for this journey. Anglers often catch trout, bass, pike, as well as perch within the 375-acre lake constructed in 1939 by the Civilian Conservation Corps. Spring Creek is another popular destination amongst fly fishermen due to its location near the dam. During the cold winter months, you will find many strong-willed individuals on the ice fishing. On the south shore of the lake, you will find a very large recreational campground featuring over 129 various campsites. Other amenities found at Sheridan Lake include boat launches, picnic areas, the longest swimming beach in the Black Hills, hiking trails connected to the Centennial and Flume trails, and more. On the northern shores of the lake, there are other campgrounds, angler supply stores, and even a beautifully constructed fishing pier. There is a $7 per vehicle fee, and Sheridan can be found off of our previous highway, number 385, which cuts directly through several worthwhile destinations within the Black Hills. Now that you know a little bit more about this location, sit back and enjoy some peaceful views of nature.
Welcome to Sheridan Lake in the Black Hills region of South Dakota. It's Saturday, June 8th. This is day one of our vacation, Father's Day weekend. We were off to see Mount Rushmore, but we saw this lake here and we wanted to stop and check it out. So hope you enjoy it.
Alright everyone, we are on our way to Mount Rushmore. So this is going to be super amazing. We're currently driving through an old western town on the way. Thank you all for watching today's journey in South Dakota, and stay tuned for the next episode when we will tour the legendary Mount Rushmore.